How to fix Bumble messages not receiving or sending. So hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve not receiving or sending messages on Bumble. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're not being able to send or receive messages on Bumble, right? The thing over here is that Bumble operates in a really weird way. After you match with someone on Bumble, the woman has the power and the utility, especially the females. So if the female or the woman actually does not message you within 24 hours after matching, then you will be unmatched with each other. So the woman has the power to whether or not message you, and if they do message you, you will be able to go ahead and then message them back in return. But the male or men this time on Bumble cannot actually make the initiative of talking to someone on Bumble. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.